All right, I bought this new collar from Molly Dog and a new leash. So it has a bungee cord in between it and everything, and I wanted to try it out and see how well she ran along the unicycle leashed up. She does pretty good already without a leash, but I wanted to try this new leash. Come here, baby. And see if maybe it works out for both of us a little bit better. This way, I don't have to worry about her getting out in traffic because I made a wrong call or something. What's up? How you doing, man? What's up? I hear you, man. So I'm just out here giving this one a try out here. See how well she does. She seems like she's doing well on it. Once I get to the school, I'll cut her loose and let her run a little bit more freely. We're gonna go around the apartment complex down here and just see how well she does to this collar. So far, she's not pulling on me or anything like that. It is nicely bungeed. She's such a good girl. Our Molly Ma does so well. See how she does when I jump this curb over here. Go up on the sidewalk. I hope she doesn't pull me down today. Here we go. Yeah, I like the bungee. It keeps her right on my side. She does a really good job with it. Awesome. This allow me to take her out in traffic and not worry about her getting hurt. But she's my baby. Let's see, does this other guy have a leash on his dog? Yeah, he does. A nice Doberman pincher there. Well, I won't be letting her off here. We'll just circumvent the apartment complex here. How you doing? Beautiful dog. It's all right, I'll go around the other way. We'll go up the grass anyway. We haven't been this way before, have we, Molly? Come on, girl. Ooh. Yeah, it does pull on you a little bit. She's not ready to stay by you. Makes it harder to control your unicycle. She pulls on you a little bit, just a little bit. I think if the leash was just a slight bit longer, it'd be nicer. I could probably take it off my waist and put it onto my wrist and probably work a lot better that way. And I wouldn't have to worry about her pulling on me too much on a turn. That's what I'll do. Let's try that out. Yeah. Yeah, I like the extra. But I like the idea of not having to hold it. All right, Molly, let's go down to the school. Okay, baby? We're going out for dinner tonight, so wanted to make sure I got her a little bit of a walk-in and a run. That way I don't have to worry about her being full of energy at home. Because she does get that nervous energy where she paces the the house and the yard all together, back and forth looking for us. Come on, baby. Let's go. All right, I'll slow down a little bit for you. So I like the leash, I like the collar. She responds really well on it. I have the Easley collar, and it's just a little bit weird. Oh, this one got up underneath her leg. Let me go ahead and take it out. Come here, baby. Come here. There we go. I guess I gotta keep it a little tighter. I'm getting ready to cut her loose. Cat in the bushes. How you doing, Mama? You doing all right? All right. All right. Let's go ahead and take her off this leash. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. All right. Come on. Come on, baby. All right. Good girl. All right. Well, the football area is open for business. We got a football field. Oh man, and I'm not suited up. Come on, Mama. All right. Welcome to Brice Field, Easley, South Carolina. You like that grass, baby? Yes, you do. Ma's a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You just want to run, don't you, darling? Every Dalmatian needs to have an owner that has an EUC so you can run their energy out. Sure. So where they shine, they like to run. Yes, they do. Look at that pretty girl. That pretty mama. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. About 200 yards. So she was doing some good sprinting. Don't get in front of me. My Molly is paying attention to what we're doing. She's watching us, watching the unicycle, watching me, staying with me, because she's an awesome little dog. Yeah, you good girl. All right. Woo. That's about 400 yards. All right, cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Good girl. Brice Field, Easley, South Carolina. Let's see what we can do here. Awesome. Peace out.